How to see friend requests in Bereal. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to see your friend requests in Bereal. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first off, open up the Bereal app on your mobile device. And then when you're in the Bereal app, what you want to do is tap on the person icon in the top left-hand corner of your screen. So once you're in this screen, you'll be on the add friends option. So you'll be able to search for people by username if you want to add friends. But if you want to see your friend requests, tap on my friends. And then here it will bring up the list of all of your friends that you currently have on Bereal. And it will also bring up a list of the people who have requested to be your friends also. So you'll just be able to go through and see your friend requests through the Bereal app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.